Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abigail Ifoma. Thank you for stopping by. So today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous looking liquid soap. It's so foamy, you guys. I'm going to be showing you what it looks like, yes, and also be taking you guys along while I make the process. So please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Subscribe for more videos like this and drop it at the comment section what you would like to see next. So to start with, we'll be needing our Sulfonic. All the grams will be at the description box, so please check them out. And also I'll be adding my SLS to the sulfonic acid. I'll go ahead and add my Texapon to it. After putting the three chemicals together, I'll go ahead and mix them together. Remember, we did not add water to this mixture, so do not add water to yours. I'll just keep mixing it with my silicone stick and then until they all blend together. After doing that, I'll set it aside and then get my other measurements. Right now we are having our soda ash and we are going to be needing 224 grams of that. I'll go ahead and measure my STPP. After getting my STPP, I'll measure my Nitrosol. So here is my Nitrosol chemical. This is just the base of liquid soap. So this chemical particular here is the base of our liquid soap. So I'll be showing you the three what it looks like. So this is Nitrosol, this is soda ash, and then the next one is STPP. You can see the gram written on your screen. Just in case you want to make yours, go ahead and use this measurement, guys. So these are all what we'll be needing for our liquid soap. I'll go ahead and get my bath. This is a little bath. I'll add 3 liters of water. And then add my base, which is the Nitrosol. I will mix. After adding, I'll mix it. I'll set this one aside and get just 1 liter of water. The water, I'll be mixing my soda ash and STPP together and mix again. So here is my STPP. I'm going to be mixing it together inside the same water with ash, and then I'll stir them just for it to blend properly. After achieving that, here is my Texapon, my SLS and my sulfonic acid, the ones I mixed earlier. As you can see, the SLS is already dissolved, so I'll get my bath that has Nitrosol in it. I'll be pouring my mixture inside this water, the mixture of soda ash and STPP. After pouring it together, I'm going to mix it until they both blend. So here is my foam booster. I'm going to be adding foam booster to the mixture. After adding it, I'll go ahead and mix again. So with the mixture of Texapon and SLS, I'm going to pour it inside. When I pour it inside, you discover that the water has changed. So I'll go ahead and just keep mixing and use my hand mixer to mix them all together so they can blend well. I noticed the stick is not going to do what I want. That means it's not going to blend it the way I want. I'll go ahead and use my hand mixer to mix them up all together. After mixing, I will just leave it and let it sit for about 30 minutes so all the chemicals could just come together and dissolve properly. So here is 30 minutes later. You can see it's all dissolved and thick. So I'm going to be adding water gradually to it until I get the consistency I'm looking for. So if there's any need for me to share the soap into 2 parts, I'm going to do that, because I just need to keep adding water until I get that perfect liquid soap texture I was going for. So loves, I'm here to say thank you for all your support, all the love, and yes, all the love you guys have been showing to this channel. I really appreciate, and trust me, I can't do this without you, and that's why I'm here to say thank you. Thank you for all the like, comments, share and subscribe. You guys have been subscribing to the channel. So if you've watched up to this time and you haven't done any one yet, please consider doing so. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos like this. So guys, like I said in my previous video, I'll be creating a group where you get to ask me whatsoever question it is. If you're finding it difficult to make a liquid soap and a bar soap, I'm going to be creating this group so you can have access to ask whatever question it is. If you're finding it difficult to create yours or to make a perfect looking bar soap and liquid soap, this group that I'm going to create, it's for you guys to ask me whatever question it is. If you want to get the material, you can feel free to ask me whatsoever question it is you are finding you want concerning liquid soap and bar soap. That group is going to give you an answer to it. So yes, I'll be creating it soon. All I need is for you all to just drop at the comment section, please add me, and I'll create the group and send the link to you guys so you can join through the link. If you're planning on taking this soap to the next level, maybe to use it as your go-to business, trust me, it's a very good business. In 2024, we are not here to play, we are here to hustle. So if you're planning on doing that as a business, then you have to join this group, because this group is going to show you how you can measure your soap. Is going to tell you the chemical which you need to create your bar soap and your liquid soap. So feel free to drop at the comment section by saying please add me to the group, and I'll create one and share the link with you guys. Trust me, this online class, it's completely free. Nobody is going to charge you any fee. I'm not going to charge you any fee at all. Yes, it's completely free, and you can have access to talk to me anytime, any day. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video like I enjoy filming it. If there's anything you want me to do at the comment section, also drop it there. I will be so happy to show you guys and share with you all. So I'll see you all in my next video. I hope you guys keep on watching. Watch till the end, and yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So at this point, I'm just going to put in my perfume, yes, and then mix together. So remember, we shared this liquid soap into two parts. So I used one yellow and one like kind of gold color to it. So here is what the soap is looking like, looking so cute. Yes, looking so cute. So I'm just going to put it inside the can I'm using, and then just to package it. So alright, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Bye guys.